Are you ready to transform your career with LinkedIn? Whether you are job hunting, networking, or building your personal brand, mastering this platform is essential. In this guide, we will involve the powerful strategies to make your profile stand out and attract the right opportunities. Say goodbye to missed connections and hello to your dream job. Let's dive in and unlock the full potential of LinkedIn together. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you how to use LinkedIn for beginners. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into linkedin.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So, welcome to your professional community. So, what is LinkedIn? LinkedIn is a professional networking platform designed to connect individuals and businesses. It allows users to create profiles that highlight their skills, experience, and achievement. One of the key benefits is the ability to network with industry professionals, which can lead to job opportunities and collaborations. Additionally, LinkedIn provides access to a wealth of resources including articles, job postings, and industry insights. Using LinkedIn can significantly enhance your professional presence and open doors to career advancement. So stay tuned until the end of this video where I will reveal insider tips on maximizing your LinkedIn profile. You won't want to miss your step-by-step guide that shows you exactly how to attract recruiters and expand your network. Whether you are a beginner or looking to enhance your skills, this is your chance to unlock LinkedIn full potential. Let's dive in and transform your professional journey together. So let's get started. The first step that you have to do is just click over sign in, or you can here click over join now if you want to create an account. To sign in, you visit if you want to find your account like that. So you have to write your email address and your password, then you get started. Also, you can choose other option which is Google or Apple as well. So also here we have join now if you want to create an account as I said, then you write some information like email address, password, phone number, street address, and that's it. You will find this page as you can see. So in the home page we will find this. So here we have firstly prepare for your job search, add your work experience and skills to show your strength to recruiters. So you can just update your profile or you can also start a post trying with writing with EA. So here we have media, event, write article as well. So this is it. Right now we have also here if you want groups, events or followed hashtags, or you can also discover more as you can see. Then we have here also if you want to search for something here, for example something dependent to this one, and it's very helpful to use LinkedIn. So this is it. And here we have in the right the messages. For example, if you want to start messaging, here we have you search for the one you want to start discussing with it. So here we have it. So this is about home. Then we have in my network. So about my network, we have here manage my network. You can choose connections, following and followers, groups, events, pages, newsletters, hashtags as well. Or you can choose also got the option catch up or grow, and here we have it. So here we have grow, and this is catch up. Furniture job changes, birthdays, work anniversaries, and education. So you can just as your network grows, you will get more updates. So then we have here jobs. So this is the important one. So here we have success job searches. You can just select the one you want. For example, visit marketing manager, HR, legal, sales, Amazon, Google analysts also. So you have just to click here to continue searching over than 20 million jobs on LinkedIn. You can just click for search jobs and you get started. Also here we have preferences, my jobs, interview prep, and we have post a job with EA and manage job posts. So here we have preferences. For about preferences, you can just select your interests. Here we have job preference visible to recruiters only, and we have your top job picks for your based on your profile and activity. Then we have here my qualifications, resume as and application data. Privately share your skills and experience with recruiters. Then here we have my verifications. verification helps enhance your profile's credibility and trust in a job search as well. Then here we have also interview prep, and we have also here my job. So this is the question that is asked on the interview. Then we have here my jobs. As you can see, so we will want to search for job, find new opportunities, and manage your job search progress here. So here we have it right now. And we have also here want to post a job with EA. So we have just to click over it, and you will find other page, which is this one. You have just to select the project manager that you want. You have find your next great hire. 80% of jobs get a qualified applicant in one day. So once you choose your job title, click off if it's right with EA or right with on my own. So I will select right with EA, and you will find other page, which is this one. All right. So here we have, you choose your job title, you write your job details, sorry, such as job title, company, workplace type, job location, job type as well. Then we have your description, as you can see. Then we have skills here. And here we have how did you hear about LinkedIn jobs. You can just select if it is broadcast, TV, radio, or ad on linkedin.com. Then you click over next. So this is it. Then we have here the option of messaging, and also we have notifications for business also. So in the business we will find here, if you want to explore more for business, you choose here hire on LinkedIn, select LinkedIn, post a job for free, advertise on LinkedIn, get started with premium. Then you have learn with LinkedIn, add my admin center, and if you want to create a company page, you click over here and you choose if it's company, showcase page, educational institution. And here we have messaging. If you want a read, drafts, my connections, email, and start. Then we have here notifications, jobs, my post mentions. So this is how it works with LinkedIn. You can just get started and search for your jobs. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. See you again in the next video. So have a fantastic day ahead.